Hi, I'm Suresh from Mobile. I have my new G60 right here. It's the world's first mobile inspection assistant integrated with thermal image camera and walkie-talkie and the smartphone. Today I'm going to give you a short demo about how our thermal app tester functionality. Well, I'm going to give a short demo about how you can use the thermal camera in G60. I'm going to push thermal camera. This is how the apps look like. As you can see, there's a two screen here, top and bottom. Bottom comes from the real camera image and top comes from the thermal camera image. In thermal camera image, we use dual image fusion technology. What's that mean? It combines both real camera image and the thermal camera image. However, you cannot see any difference here. Now I'm going to change my color scheme here to the rainbow color. As you can see the outlines of the product in more details. Now I'm going to take you to further how you can do the setting in a thermal camera application. I'm going to choose the emissivity here. There's a different surface material of different object. For example, for this demo, I'm going to use the default one. I'm going to give one more demo. I'm going to use my G60 to view my hand. I'm wearing a ring on it. As you can see, my ring is much colder than my hand. However, my hand and ring are the same temperature. So what does that mean? So my hand and my ring radiate different amount of infrared energy. So this is very important to set the emissivity to get the accurate temperature. So we have a G60 have a capability to do the settings. Now I'm going to do more setting here. So I can set a thermometer reading. If I want Celsius, I can go to Celsius. Now it's a Fahrenheit. I go back again to change to Celsius. If you want to do more setting here, I can go back. There's an option called laser, turn on, turn off. Now the laser is turned on. I'm going to off now. I can do the more setting here. Go back again. The scan range. So we give two options here, high gain and the low gain. High gain come from -10 to 140 and the low gain come from -10 to 450. So for this demo, I'm going to use the high gain. I go back setting again to the point location. So I'm going to use a fixed point right now. I'm going to point my bottle here. So now it shows around 29.2 Celsius. I'm going to choose the movable so I can check different location where I want to check the temperature. If I want a temperature here, I can set here. I can go back setting again, point location to the hottest. So the device will automatically select the hottest point in particular area. I go back setting again, the coldest. From here, as you can see, it will automatically select the coldest. So I'm going to have a more setting here, the color scheme. So we offer more than 8 color scheme here, from rainbow to grayscale or the coolest one. So you have a different option here to play with. The final is the thermal camera application. So we can provide the current version and the SD version. Let's take some picture in G60. Before I take picture, I'm going to do one more setting here. That's called emissivity. So as you can see, different objects have a different emissivity value. For this demo, I'm going to choose 1. So I'm also going to use my hand for this demo. So as you can see, my ring appear colder than my hand. However, my ring and my hand are same temperature. So what's that mean? both my hand and ring radiate different amount of infrared energy. So it's very important to do the emissivity setting to get the accurate temperature. So for this demo, we are going to choose 1. So G60 capture range goes from minus 60 centimeter, so all the way to 10 meter. So for this demo, I'm going to choose 1 meter here. So once I know the reference point of the equipment under the normal working condition, I can pretty much capture the image, then compare the data to get the temperature difference. So before capture, there's one more option called shutter. G60 have a capability to shut down to have an internal calibration. So however, you can also manually do it by shutting. So now I'm going to capture the image. So once I capture, I go back here to the file manager and phone storage and the picture. So here I have my bottle and show the temperature reading. So I can also to type message whatever I want, and I can send to MMS to my colleagues. Thank you.